front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings, choose Connections and tap on Bluetooth. Then click on the switcher next to it if it's not already on and tap on one of the available devices that you wish to connect to, like this Nokia. Now wait for the pop-up to show up and select Pair. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. And as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you can always do that by tapping on the secure icon next to the device and choosing Unpair. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!